Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain two important settings in Suno AI that affects how your music is generated. Style influence and weirdness. So let's get started with style influence. Style influence controls how strongly your chosen music style affects the song Suno AI creates. At a low level, the style is subtle, so the song might sound more generic or neutral. At high levels, the style is very pronounced, making your song sound much closer to specific genre or vibe you select like pop, jazz, or rock. So, you can use influence to balance between creativity and style accuracy depending on what you want. Moving on to weirdness. Weirdness adjusts how experimental or conventional your song sounds. At low weirdness, the song will be more traditional, predictable, and safe. At high weirdness, Suno AI will add surprising, unusual, or out there elements that make your song unique and creative. It's a fun way to explore new sounds and push boundaries in your music. So how to use them together? You can try different combination of style influence and weirdness to get the perfect blend for your project, whether it's a radio-friendly hit or avant-garde masterpiece. And that's style influence and weirdness in Suno AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.